Hey everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to DM someone on IMVU. So let's get started. Begin by launching your IMVU application. Now tap on your profile icon. Swipe a little and then tap on Friends option. Now select the friend that you like to send DM. Tap on the inbox icon which is right next to gift icon. At the bottom of your screen, you will be able to find inbox bar. Tap on it. Now enter the text and then tap on send button. And this is how you can DM someone on IMVU. Thanks for watching Web Solution. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.